by the power vested in me by the District of Columbia, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
In here?
Richard!
What you doing in bed with that woman?
I'm his wife.
That's no good here.
And what was it like as well getting to explore like this topic? Because what kind of struck me was you watch and you think, wow, they achieved something so incredible, you know, it was such a pivotal moment for people. But then you look at today and you think all these years on, there's still so much that has to be done. There's still so many issues in society, even like 2016's been a big year for us thinking about that. What was it like for you kind of getting to bring that issue back, but also reflecting on how things are today still?
A lot of people said it's interesting that this was only 50 years ago, and I think, well, have a think about it. How far have we come? Race is still a question. I mean, now at least it's been talked about, but for so long it was this Tinder subject and no one wanted to talk about it because it would ignite something, and it's ignited conversation and it's ignited debate, and it while that's terrifying, it's taken an awful long time. Also talking about who has the right to legislate and who you want to marry, and love. I think those are incredible things that we think that we've achieved, but I don't know. And the idea of achievement, I think it's sparking up the wrong path. I don't know if anything gets achieved, does it? It has to be, we're a work in progress, so are the things that we do. All our actions are too. And so I think once we talk about achievement, a sense of complacency creeps in. And for me, that's always dangerous, because that assumes that we sort of feel very self-satisfied, and we shouldn't, because we have to be vigilant to hate and unacceptance of one another.
We may lose the small battles, but win the big war.
Is there anything you'd like me to say to the Supreme Court Justices of the United States?
Yeah. Tell the judge I love my wife.